see you up at Shellstern's in a little bit, right? All right, sounds good. Bye. Off we go. Going out, do a little fishing, go for a drive, shoot the AR. It's a nice sunny day for it.
Just in case we see a little something, you know, we can get a good look at it, or we can take it out. And we also got the other fun one coming along with us.
Ooh.
This guy is the bee's knees.
Alright, so we're gonna drive on up the highway. Maybe go to Long Lake, maybe go past that to, what's the lake? Knob Lake up there. Let's see how that is. If it's good, we'll do some fishing there. And
You did bring an auger, right?
oh, I did.
Okay, good.
No, that was one of the first things I loaded up because that's what I thought. I'm like, I can't forget the auger, because if we forgot the auger, that's like, that would kind of put off this whole trip.
Right.
Another rig.
Couple of them.
Yeah.
There was a sign that said cameras, so we're out here looking for cameras. Idiot.
That was just caught on camera.
Whoa.
Whoa, that guy's burning oil like you would not believe, and I can smell
That
it.
stinks.
Oh,
And
well, there's the
here
ski
are
doers.
at Long Lake.
This is Long Lake, and
There's a car out there.
there is a car.
Not many people here. Definitely a potential spot.
Definitely.
You can keep driving up though. I mean,
You can.
We got plenty of time, but
Ice fishers down there.
hey, you want to go hike line then real quick to the top?
I mean, we could.
I mean, we got time. We could. What time is it? I don't know.
I don't even know what time it is.
I mean, I don't know how long it would take us.
15:58.
Think we got time?
Yeah. But, I mean, I don't have my boots. These extra toughs are not
Ruben did it last time.
the best, but sure, why not? We'll
Why
just
not?
send them a
We're
text.
on the spur of the moment, you know.
Yeah,
Nothing planned, and it's like, it's a beautiful day.
sure, why not?
Why not?
Let's go for it.
That's the question.
That's always the question. There's somebody in there, so
Hey, I don't think it would take. Your extra touch.
yeah.
Ruben did it last time. Extra touch.
Yeah, let's do it. Aha! Yes, sir.
Remember, don't leave trip on a trip without stuff.
Exactly. So then,
Okay.
okay, so Wiley Wallaby, the best black licorice I have ever had, period. And I can say that candidly because they don't pay me to say this.
And I second that. And they're not a sponsor. I don't know why not yet, but
But they better be.
they better be.
Wiley Wallaby, if you're watching this, you should sponsor us.
Yep. Because it's the best stuff that's ever created there. For sure.
For sure. Sun feels so nice.
Well, Beautiful. Oh, yeah. Gets more rewarding.
Did it. So, double as hearing protection. Take a couple shots down here on this lake. It was fun. It's all got like dirt coming out of it and a bunch of tracks that lead.
That makes my stomach flip. Now we make ourselves back down the mountain.
Down the big thumb, as some people call it. See it from a distance, you can make up your mind what you think about calling it. It looks like a thumb, and a thumbs up. It also looks like a sphinx from out of Egypt. I mean, I've never been ice fishing in my whole entire life. And we decided to go ice fishing today. We got off work early, the sun was out. It was a beautiful day. And dude goes, "Hey, what are you doing?" I go, "Hey, I don't know, nothing." And he asked me if I wanted to go ice fishing, and I said, yeah. So, we're up here on Lion's Head, but I'm feeling kind of like a cheeseburger right now from Eureka, so I don't know, we'll see what we do.
Yeah, we might just stop there. We got some friends that are up snow machining up the highway further, and they're coming back, so we might actually try to meet up with them and see them.
They should be headed back to the lodge right about now, and they're gonna be playing around, headed back,
So we'll see what ends up taking place.
Ah! You think you're gonna slide, then your foot just buried. Oh man.
Just like
Whoever said this wasn't fun.
we're just like kids.
Yeah, I have not been sledding on my butt in years.
Oh,
Oh,
that was great. Who knew ice fishing could be so fun?
Ice fishing is amazing. 10 for 10. This is amazing.
Woo. Hold on.
You lose something?
I think so.
Uh-oh.
That ain't good. My phone.
Oh, crap.
You wanna try calling it? Hopefully it's not on mute.
Oh, that'd be terrible.
Unless it wasn't on this straight section right here.
Found it?
I found it.
There you go.
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, I was like, the whole entire time I was sliding, I was constantly checking.
I'm so glad I checked at the end of that because I was like, oh, I just slid. I better make sure. Huh.
Dude, well, welcome to the club. I lost mine up, but
Yeah.
lazy.
Man, that was not good. Okay,
Go.
I guess.
Oh, it's much faster than going up. Back at the truck.
That was good. Well, that part of the adventure was fun. Let's see where we go from here.
On the road again.
Country roads take me home to the place I belong. Old Alaska, mountain mama, take me home down country roads.
That's a snow machine trail. I don't get the
It's
truck.
a snow machine trail.
I don't get the truck for that. So. Well, I guess that's off
We
the
got
list.
Prius tires on this thing.
Yeah,
That's the thing. That's the difference between this and a Prius. Prius don't have four-wheel drive. No, this thing's way better than a Prius.
Yeah, just made by Ford.
Yeah.
Well, there's the rig.
That was a good trip.
Snow machine here looks kind of familiar, but you know they all look familiar when it. Oh, that person definitely does.
It is clear. All right. Oh, hey.
What's going on?
You guys. Oh, it was amazing. The trail is super easy and the glacier is incredible. Yeah,
Oh my word.
it's like an ice castle in there.
That's so cool.
Yeah, it's huge. It's really big. You can drive your snow machine through it.
That's crazy.
Mm-hmm.
You know, Andy, I like this helmet. I need one of these.
Yeah. Oh, do you?
I do.
Interesting.
It's been amazing ice fishing all day long.
Bacon.
Sun setting. But yeah, we're on our way home and it's just been a real good day hanging out with friends. The best way to end the day, I think.
Yeah,
Getting a burger, eat something.
I think so too.
And no, but yeah, man.
Burgers beat fish today.
Yes. Yep. But in all reality, we're gonna have to do a real ice fishing
Yeah,
this year. So
we'll have to do it this year.
yeah, so we'll be back. We'll do some ice fishing next week. Try to catch a fish. But I don't know. Today was good. I'm not even. Doesn't even bother me that we didn't even go fishing.
I mean, yeah, no. I got to play in the Alaskan wilderness. How many Michiganders get to say that? I'm just gonna say that right now.
Say it.
We're gonna drive home. Catch you on the flip.
See ya.
So you're gonna have to explain this to me. Ice fishing. I mean, I've gone regular fishing, but we didn't. I mean, we had poles and stuff in the truck that we looked at, but we never actually did any fishing. What is this real? Is this a joke? Is this kind of like snipe hunting or?
That was about the best ice fishing that I've ever done.
Okay, I mean,
Like
We did find a lot of ice.
Yeah,
we
that's
did.
where you go. You go out when you're ice fishing. You see, this is the fundamental thing about ice fishing you need to understand is you go out to find ice. And that's what we did. We went out and we found ice.
Oh, nice. We sure
And
did.
then you go fishing in it. So you're stepping in stuff and you're losing stuff. I lost my phone. And you going fishing for that. And fishing for your hat. You lost that.
I did.
And it just,
yeah.
you just go out and play in the ice.
Okay. How about we catch a trout out of a lake when there's ice on it?
Hey, that's actually a good idea.